7 tenant rights in South Africa. Landlords don't want you to know. Hi, I'm Trevor Whittaker, real estate professional right here in good old beautiful Cape Town. And this video is for every South African tenant who's ever felt pushed around, manipulated, or simply unsure of what your actual rights are. Because today, I'm giving you 7 tenant rights you probably didn't know you had, but you absolutely should know about. These are things that some landlords and even some agents hope you never learn. Let's get into it. Number 1, did you know you can't be evicted without a court order even if you haven't paid rent? Your landlord cannot just kick you out. Only a magistrate can issue an eviction order, and only after proper legal procedure. Any threats to get you out without a court order, well, that's illegal. However, remember, a magistrate may and will more than likely find against you, meaning that there will most certainly be costs and even added costs for which you will be held liable. So what's your advice, Trevor? Here's my advice. Play by the rules. Number 2, rental increases aren't random, landlords. Your rent as a tenant can't just go up out of nowhere. No, it must be written into your lease, or if you're on a month to month, your landlord must give you 2 full months notice of any increase. And here's another thing to remember. The increase must be reasonable. Number 3, landlords are responsible for property maintenance. Yes, even during your lease. Now, if the geyser breaks or the ceiling collapses, it's not your responsibility. A landlord can't just collect rent and ignore repairs. Doesn't happen. 4, you can get free legal help from the Rental Housing Tribunal. This is your lifeline as a tenant. You can file complaints for unfair treatment, deposit issues, or illegal conduct without needing a lawyer. Now, did you know, in terms of Section 1313 of the Rental Housing Act 50 of 1999, a ruling of the tribunal is deemed to be an order of the Magistrates Court in terms of the Magistrates Court Act of 1994. A mouthful, but it's there to protect you. And all of what I've just said, it's absolutely and completely free to you as a tenant. Number 5, did you know that verbal leases are legal? But they're risky. Even if nothing's written down, if you're living in the property and paying rent, a lease exists. But here's the catch. It's hard to prove what was agreed upon. So my advice, always get it in writing. Number 6, your lease can't override the law. If there's a clause in your lease that contradicts the Rental Housing Act or the Consumer Protection Act, guess what? It's not enforceable, even if you signed it. Lastly, number 7, landlords cannot cut off your water or electricity. No, ever. Can't happen. This is a big one. No matter what, a landlord cannot disconnect utilities to force you out, guys. That's not just unfair, it's illegal. and could result in criminal charges against the landlord. So, whether you're renting in Cape Town or anywhere else in South Africa, you have rights, my friends. But you only benefit from them if you know them. Don't let intimidation or lack of information put you at risk. If you've got questions, if you've got concerns, or you've been mistreated, reach out to me. I'm here to help. And if this helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see it. This is Trevor Whittaker coming to you from beautiful Cape Town.